If you need help running your Amazon business, gone are the days of spending time recruiting the right person and training them to do a job only to find out they are not the right person after all. Why not try us? We have almost 8 years of experience in this field. If you run an e-commerce business, chances are you are using Amazon, or at the very least, you are thinking about it. But as you know, it is very time-consuming to get things up and running on the world's biggest selling platform. From listing to optimizing to dealing with the kind of dedicated support you need to offer in order to run a successful small online business. An Amazon virtual assistant can perform the following tasks on behalf of your business, helping you to grow your online sales. What an Amazon virtual assistant can do for you: Amazon listing creation and optimization, processing orders, customer support, adding tracking for Amazon orders, managing Amazon inventory, basic image editing, including resizing, analysis and market research of your Amazon competitors. What results can you expect? Working with one of our Amazon VA, not only will you benefit from a cost saving as opposed to employing directly, but you will also tap into the necessary knowledge to get your Amazon listings optimized and performing as you would wish them to. We have skilled VAs waiting to step in and help you out under your instruction. For more details, contact us.